In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a new price after discount in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to perform the discount calculation. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is arranged in cells A1 through C4. This gives you a simple table to work with, including the original price and the discount percentage. Next, click on cell D1 and type final price. This will serve as the header for the new column where Excel will display the discounted prices. Adding a clear label like this helps keep your spreadsheet organized and makes it easy to understand what the formula is calculating. Now click cell D2 because this is where we'll enter the formula for the first item. Type an equal sign, then B2, then an asterisk followed by an opening parenthesis, then 1, then a minus sign, then C2, and finally a closing parenthesis. Written together, the formula is equals B2 times open parenthesis 1 minus C2 close parenthesis. This works by taking the original price in B2 and multiplying it by what remains after the discount is removed. So if the discount is 10%, Excel calculates 1 minus 10%, which leaves 90% of the original price. There are a few simple ways you can adapt this formula. If the discount percentage changes, just replace the value in C2 with a different percentage. If your price is stored in a different column, replace B2 with the correct cell reference. And if every item uses the same discount rate, enter 10% in cell F1, then replace C2 in the formula with $F$1. That locks the discount cell in place, which is useful when copying the formula down. After entering the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately return the result. In this example, the final price shown is $900. That confirms the discount has been applied correctly. To calculate the final price for the remaining rows, select cell D2 again. Then drag the fill handle, which is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell, downward until you reach D4. Excel will automatically copy the formula and adjust the row references for each item. And that's it. You now know how to calculate a new price after discount in Excel quickly and efficiently.